Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is still in this correction here, which is, well, really looking like an ABC structure. I think for anybody who's watched the last videos, I mean, you know that already, that I see this as an A, so possibly ABC, right? That's the idea, but it could be wave, an ABC structure in the larger A wave, as per the orange scenario. And the orange count indicates that this could lead to a wider wave 4 correction. Might turn into a triangle. It might turn into that larger ABC structure that I've shown there. So 3 waves in A. A waves can be 3 wave patterns. Then somehow 3 waves in B, even though that's very messy, which again is exactly what we expect in a B wave. And then a C wave down. This would then complete the wave 4, and then we can watch for higher prices from there. This is one of the possible roadmaps that I'm following here primarily. I warned you that this B wave can be messy. B waves are messy, they are difficult to trade. I see it as a B wave bounce, were my words. I mean, I could be wrong about that. It could be breaking out directly, but there's nothing at the moment indicating that, right? Obviously, once we get a sustained break above the blue target area, and we haven't even reached it yet, then yeah, I would assume we are probably in either the wave 5 already and this wave 4 was very short. Or I would need to look at the chart structure and say, okay, maybe it's still an extension of the third wave. But in all scenarios at the moment that I'm following, I would like to get the price to continue its trajectory towards $360, $370, $380 next on the larger time frame. In the short term, however, we seem to be working on some kind of a correction. We completed a 3-wave move down that generally leaves the door open for higher prices, also more directly, but it's not expected until I see a clear setup on the smaller time frame. I mentioned to you, I mean, maybe this is a 1-2 setup here, right? I highlighted that, but it just doesn't look like it. It should normally follow through already, but I can definitely see one more leg up maybe in wave C of Y of a larger B wave as per the orange scenario that you can see there on the chart. Yeah, the blue target zone is just based on the internal structure. It is located between the 100% extension and the 161.8 extension, typical target for a Y wave. Yeah, I've made it a bit more complex here. So it used to be, I shouldn't say it used to be. I had it marked as an ABC, but due to the complexities and the ongoing sideways action and the let's say connection of various ABC structures in that pattern, it looks more like a WXY pattern now, which is a more complex form of a correction. So in this pattern, we could currently be working on an internal B wave of that wave Y. A Y wave is an ABC structure. So we're dealing with, connection of different ABC structures here. And then one more high could happen here. And again, $250.46, $257.33, 261.62 and 268.86 are the next key levels there that I'm watching. And then from there, possibly that C wave down. Might also be a triangle pattern here, sideways, yeah, that we're watching or that could unfold. But the bottom line is we are currently holding above key support here. There's a larger support area that is relevant on the daily time frame. And on this support area, or in this support area, the buyers could step in. That's the idea. The buyers did step in already, right? They have stepped in, but it's only a small reaction so far. And if we compare the correction here with what happened down here, this wave 2, which unfolded between the end of, early in August and early September, was roughly a 4-week correction, maybe a little longer. Here, we only started that correction, you could say maybe around the 22nd, 23rd of November. So not quite 4 weeks yet. I'm not saying it has to be a 4-week move, but very often these fourth waves, they relate to their wave 2 counterparts in time, roughly in duration. So yeah, overall, I think that should give you all the levels to watch. Please note we are currently in a messy correction. So the price seems to be caught in the complexities of a B wave within a wave 4, 2 of the most difficult structures to navigate. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.